700 watts. Peak blending power for powerful ice crushing. Wave action system. 700-watt power blender continuously pulls mixture down into the blades for consistently smooth results. 12 blending functions. Multi-function blender with only 5 simple buttons on the easy-to-read control panel. Power blender creates smoothies, icy drinks, shakes, and more. Easy to clean. Blades remove for easy cleaning. Jar, blades, and lid are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Clean, easy pour. Multi-function blender with unique, no-mess pouring spout. All the power you need to mix, puree, device, crush ice, and more, with only 4 simple buttons. 700 watt of peak blending power. Do not fill blender jar beyond the 3-cup, 710 ml level. Tips. Care for the best performance. The minimum amount of liquid needed per recipe is 1 cup, 8 ounces, 250 milliliters. Add more liquid if your mixture is not blending properly. To add food or liquid to when blender is operating, open the hinged pouring cap and add ingredients through the opening. If blending action stops during blending or ingredients stick to sides of jar, there may not be enough liquid in the jar to blend efficiently. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect blender. This is an affordable and very well working blender. It is simple to clean and has very easy instructions to follow. I blend frozen fruit with this, and it makes a milkshake very well. Mine was creamy and enjoyable, and I really do enjoy this product. A big thank you to the manufacturers for making a wonderful object affordable and works fantastic. You will not be disappointed with this purchase, friends.